Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the most nostalgic and anticipated automotive comebacks in recent history, the 2026 Citroën 2CV. Yes, you heard that right. The iconic deux chevaux, once a symbol of French utility and charm, has returned, and Citroën has pulled off something truly special, a rebirth that stays true to its roots while being perfectly in tune with modern-day expectations. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 2CV doesn't shy away from its legacy. Citroën has masterfully captured the soul of the original. The unmistakable rounded fenders, corrugated steel-style textures, and the high-riding stance are all there. But it's all been reinterpreted with a 21st century twist. LED lighting is now standard, with oval-shaped headlights that give it a friendly retro-futuristic face. The soft-top canvas roof, yes, it still folds back, is now electronically operated and doubles as a panoramic sunroof. Citroën has also introduced a wide palette of vibrant color options, including modern takes on the original pastel shades. Lightweight recycled aluminum panels contribute to its efficiency without compromising its quirky charm. Move inside, and the surprises continue. The cabin is a minimalist haven. Citroën has leaned into the less is more philosophy, reminiscent of the original 2CV's utilitarian interior, but now with sustainable materials and digital comfort. The dashboard is a single floating unit with a central touchscreen display and customizable digital instrument cluster. Despite its compact size, the interior feels incredibly roomy, thanks to clever packaging and upright seating. The seats themselves, removable, modular, and covered in washable fabric, staying true to the 2CV's legacy as a people's car, practical and adaptable. Even the door panels feature detachable storage compartments that double as picnic baskets. It's whimsical and practical in equal measure. Now let's talk performance. The new 2CV is powered by a fully electric drivetrain, and while it's not built for speed, it's certainly not sluggish. The base model comes with a 45 kWh battery offering up to 250 miles of range, perfect for urban commuting and weekend country drives. A more powerful 65 kWh version delivers 320 miles of range and slightly quicker acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 mph in just under 8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 90 mph, which is more than enough for its intended purpose. The suspension system, a modern interpretation of the classic car's magic carpet ride, uses adaptive dampers and a low center of gravity for an incredibly smooth and balanced feel on the road. It's playful, quiet, and surprisingly fun to drive. Charging is taken care of with a 100 kWh fast charging capability, allowing 80% battery refill in about 30 minutes. Citroën is also including a level 2 home charger with the first 1,000 pre-orders, adding a nice incentive for early adopters. So what does it cost? This is where things get even more interesting. The 2026 Citroën 2CV starts at around $22,000 in Europe, roughly $24,000 USD, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. The premium trim with the extended range battery, panoramic roof, and full driver assist package comes in at just under $28,000 or $3,500 USD. For what it offers, the heritage, the technology, the charm, it's exceptional value. In conclusion, the new 2CV isn't just a car, it's a statement. Citroën has managed to capture the spirit of a cultural icon and breathe new life into it for a new generation. It's clever, affordable, electric, and full of personality. If you're looking for an EV that doesn't take itself too seriously, but still delivers where it counts, the 2026 Citroën 2CV might just be the car to watch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you drive the new 2CV? Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.